Hello everyone, I am back with some new information today. As we know, the COVID-19 pandemic rages on with cases rising. However, in between this gloom, there are some interesting things that have happened. In this video, I'll tell you about a few of these. Since humans were confined, a lot of animals chose to come out of their natural habitats and explore our streets and even homes. A fox was spotted in Toronto, Canada, carrying a squirrel. A deer chose to visit a slum in Mumbai. A sea lion was spotted sitting outside a hotel in Galapagos Islands. Air quality had improved in a lot of metro cities. In Delhi, where the AQI is usually 10 times above the permissible limit, showed 60% improvement in air quality. The biggest industrial area in China, including Beijing and 44 other cities, showed 69 to 70% improvement. Even in Europe, clean air led to 11,000 fewer deaths. And from Jalandhar, we could see the Himalayan peaks, which are 859 kilometers away from the city, which we couldn't see before lockdown. In Venice, after the lockdown started, water in canals became clear as sediment settled down because boats weren't plying. Even dolphins were spotted in Venice canals as the water was free of disturbance. In the USA, fatal vehicle collisions of animals such as deer, elk, moose, bears, mountain lions fell off by 58% during the early months of lockdown. The world's demand for fossil fuels had decreased by 10% amid lockdown measures. 64,000 green sea turtles were found migrating near Australia's Great Barrier Reef for breeding season. Power consumption dropped by 30 to 40% worldwide during the lockdown. During the lockdown, people took a very active interest in cooking and learning new recipes, in which Dalgona coffee at home spiked 5,000% searches. Chicken momo recipe grew 4,350% and mango ice cream recipe saw 3,250% rise on Google search. Recipe searches on YouTube grew by 20%, in which Pani Puri recipe tops with an increase of 107%. Data from selected Fitbit users shows that people had got an average of 17 minutes more sleep each night during the lockdown than before pandemic hit. It also showed that sleep quality improved with users getting more REM and deep sleep. Community support groups had grown across the world to help the needy and vulnerable. In the UK, a staggering 750,000 people answered the government's plea for 250,000 National Health Service workers. In the UAE, residents had organized a buddy system using the hashtag #InThisTogetherUAE with volunteers offering practical support, help, legal advice, and career workshops. Thanks for watching this video. Please let me know your feedback in the comments. Stay safe and take care of your loved ones. See you all in my next video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.